Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a brand new educational course for you. This course is designed for aspiring developers who want to learn how to build an online store from scratch to advanced level. If you're looking to create a real-world project using ASP.NET Core MVC 8 and SQL, this training is the most practical and complete option. Perfect for programmers interested in entering the world of e-commerce and building a professional panel with sales, payment, registration, and management features. This course has a rating of 4.6 and with around 4,000 students, it's considered a success. Its current price is approximately €55. The duration is 20 hours, and you'll receive a certificate upon completion. Once purchased, you'll have full access to the course and future updates. Here's what you'll learn in this training. Start using ASP.NET Core MVC 8 with Visual Studio 2022 step by step. Real-world online shop, e-commerce, from scratch by ASP.NET Core MVC. Using SQL in ASP.NET Core MVC by Entity Framework. Designing main page. Banners and sliders. Products page and its admin view. Review for products. Register user and login tag. Password recovery. Shopping cart and checkout page. PayPal payment and order details. New arrivals and best sellings. Admin dashboard. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to give you legal, free access to this practical course. To see how it works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and search in Google for kuoncenter5.com. From the results shown, click on the correct link. Make sure the site URL matches what you see here and that you are directed to kuoncenter5.com. Once you enter the homepage, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search feature to find the course you're interested in. Now you should be able to view the course. Scroll down to find the discount coupon and click the button. Go to the course. The course will be made available to you for free. Keep in mind, the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you've gained legal, free access to this valuable course. If this video was useful to you, like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.